Children, let's read and spell the words. Ear, ear, E-A-R, ear. I, E-Y-E, I. Mouth, mouth, M-O-U-T-H, mouth. Nose, nose, N-O-S-E, nose. Children, let's read and spell one more word. Hair, hair, H-A-I-R, hair. It is tea time. Kelly is eating an ice cream. Tony has noodles. Kelly makes a face on a big round plate. 2 slices of orange are the eyes. 2 slices of apple are the ears. A banana is the mouth. And the noodles are the hair. Kelly points to the banana and says, "This is my mouth." Tony is happy to see the funny face. He is thinking what the nose will be. Kelly almost finishes her ice cream. She turns the end of the ice cream cone upside down. Then she puts it in the middle of the face. "This is my nose," says Kelly. In pairs, ask your partner to show you his or her eye, ear, mouth. Eye. "This is my eye." Ear. "This is my ear."